C is for cow in the meadow so green. C is for crown, fit for a queen. C is for clown, who makes us laugh. C is for chair, for when we sit and chat. C is for candle, burning so bright. C is for cucumber, fresh and light. C is for cookie, a tasty treat to soak. C is for computer, where we learn and play. C is for computer, where we learn and play. C is for cape, heroes wear it every day. So many words with C to find. C is a letter that's fun and kind. C is for cat, so soft and sweet. C is for car, fast on the street. C is for cake, so yummy to eat. C is for camel, walking by. C is for crab, with its little claws. C is for cheese, with its yummy cars. So many things that start with C. Now you know, it's easy to see. C is for cloud in the meadow so green. C is for crown, fit for a queen. C is for clown, who makes us laugh. C is for chair, for when we sit and chat. C is for candle, burning so bright. C is for cucumber, fresh and light. C is for cookie, a tasty treat to soak. C is for computer, where we learn and play. C is for computer, where we learn and play. C is for cape, heroes wear it every day.